Yes, there are different softwares that AI is being used for right now to help detect cavities or caries and even different gum disease levels. But here's what I worry about actually with this. Some of these softwares may be used by these dentists who try to overly treat and are overly aggressive in their treatment with their patients. When you really look at it from the big picture, that cavity might be so tiny that it doesn't need to be fixed or drilled on. And honestly, the best tooth is an undrilled on tooth. So that's what I worry about with AI. Dentists overly trying to treat, being over aggressive, trying to convince their patients that they need work that they don't. So we have all the new stuff. It's fancy, bells, whistles, being marketed as it's going to change lives. But here's what I see happening in the next 10 years. We're going to have even better 3D printers. And our 3D printers are decent now, but they're not great. What we're going to see is that AI is going to be taking more of a role in designing smiles and teeth. And that kind of works for a patient who isn't very picky or particular. But here's what I'm finding. Patients that want teeth in 24 done right, their implants right, their smile right, a computer's not going to do that. Now, I have invested heavily in digital equipment and my digital laboratory, but here's the other thing that I will never forget. I've invested heavily in my team and my dental laboratory technicians, because what I find is that my patients want a highly customized smiles. But what we're finding is that in this day of technology and being inundated with AI and all these other things, we miss human connection. And the most fundamental thing that I learned with dentistry is that human connection, that empathy, understanding our patient, is what connects us. I think the only technology that could reduce the fear of dentists for patients, well, I did say technology, but I actually think the best thing to reduce fear is really, really amazing and empathetic human dentists, to be frank with you. And so the future of dentistry is here. The technology is here. We have harnessed all of the right technologies. We have sifted through all the technologies that are not relevant or won't help you. We have them here. We have the beautiful synthesis of humanity and technology here with Dr. Lampee, Teeth in 24, to give you that new smile, that hope in just about a day. It is incredible.